In this video I'm gonna show you my new Roomba, and it's a Roomba that I never had. It's called a Kyvol, and it's an E20. There's an E30 and E31 similar, but they're a little different. So this is the dock. It's really nice. Power cable, and it even comes with a little remote control. And it even comes with its own batteries, so you don't have to get them in. And the Kyvol, it turns on just like that. And it works, so I can just hit auto and it'll go. And I can control it where to go. Yeah, it's really cool. And this is how the dustbin looks like. Has been vacuuming a little bit. We had this for like a month, I think, or a week, I don't know. The filter, it looks like this. This is the filter. It's a little hard to put these filters in sometimes. Okay. Yeah, it's the Kyvol. Yeah, this is the roller brush. Comes out right easily. It does tangle a lot, but it's not that bad. It does come with a cleaning tool, but it got somewhere. So, hold on. It's a little hard to put it back in. So it has two side brushes instead of one, like lots of Roombas have. It has two, and it has also right here. Hold on, right here. There's a little other cleaning brush, and these also pop off, so it's really easy. Pop back on. A little hard to get that one, but it's on. These also have cliff sensors. 3 cliff sensors. And also what's nice is sometimes it bumps into a wall, but sometimes it stops and it doesn't bump. So let me show you. So if I let it go, it won't bump into my foot, which is cool, and I'm just hitting that. If I hit play, oops, it won't do anything. So the power pin is right here, I mean the plug, so it fits right in. So now on the remote, right here is home. So let me tell you the stuff on the remote. So this is auto, it will go vacuum. This is pause. This is left, right, forwards, and back. This is the scheduling button. So schedule it. And hit minute. Yeah, so that's a nice feature. And this is a button that will ring if you can't find it. And this is edge cleaning. It will do the edge cleaning for about 20 minutes. This is the suction power, and this is the spot clean. The spot clean is really good. And this is the home. It does really well going home. It finds the dock really easy, because my other robot vacuum right there, the white one, the bob sweep, they can't like go home. They can't find it anywhere. So takes a little bit of passes, but should just find it. Just a little bit. So it might go. Also, you can control it to video, but it will go now. Oops. Stop that happens sometimes. I don't know what just happened. Oops. Okay, not in yep. Where did you go? Stop turning. Oh my gosh. And also on the remote slots, that's handy. So you don't have to always lose the remote, because I lose my remotes for the bob sweep as a remote. I probably didn't make a video of it. It's okay. But yeah, I always lose it, but that's a handy feature. And thanks for watching. Bye.